Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vanquished Angel, and my next Linux tip is removing, or Linux instruction tutorial is removing packages. Now, a lot of times you're going to want to use your package manager of choice. There are several different types of package managers. I prefer Synaptic. So there's one program I've had in here for a while that I really don't care for. I just haven't gotten rid of it. And that is, let's see if I can find it now. I got tons of them in here. Is Calibra or California. Either one. So that's an application calendar. Now we're going to make sure that that doesn't harm anything. So we're going to mark for complete removal. And if it harms something, we would have a list of other stuff that it's going to uninstall. So we can just click apply here, and it'll remove that program. Then we'll check and see what's auto removable. And we could take care of those too. But there's also another way to do this. So we're going to unmark. So that's just the easiest way and probably the most user-friendly way. The other way is, of course, the command line. I always forget where my stuff is. I apologize. So for the command line, it's going to be apt-get. But for Ubuntu, we have to use sudo apt-get remove purge. And then we need California. That'll remove all the dependencies and the program. The danger with this is sometimes that it removes dependencies that other programs are dependent on, because it removes all the dependencies for that program. Now, usually they list this and it's pretty safe, but every once in a while there's a mistake that's made. And the listing is done within the program. So if that dependency is on another program's list that you have, it shouldn't remove it. But sometimes there are mistakes made. So I'm going to hit this button, and I'm going to put this in. And then the following packages were automatically installed and no longer there. Do we want to remove? Yes. So that should have removed that program. I forget where it was. And okay, it was up in here. Now the next one is Calibra. I don't need Calibra either. So we're going to do another command. It's going to be similar. So we're just going to hit up. However, we're going to remove this purge option. Now this just removes the program but leaves its configuration files. So the purge removes everything. It basically purges dependencies and configuration files. This one does not. So then it says, oh, because I left California in because I'm an idiot. So I think it was Calibra. So I'm going to double check that. I always forget where it is. It's under Office. Calibra. So we're going to hit enter on that one again. And then these dependencies are no longer required. This one's going to save that. So we're going to hit yes because I don't want it. And it's going to take a little while, apparently. And we're going to wait for that to be done. And then to clean these all out here, we can use the command sudo apt-get auto remove, and that'll clean up all those old ones, which is probably the command I'll use. But another way to do it is to go right back into Synaptic And Synaptic actually has filters down here to use, and we can click auto removable. And here's all the extra programs that they're not dependencies for anything. We also have obsolete ones, but I don't remove those. I keep them for the most part. Because you never know what's going to be needed until I can go through them. Like some of these are actually programs I want. So we're going to use the auto remove program right here. Oh, that's because I have Synaptic open. That's what that little error here, could not get a lock on, that means. So just up, down, and yes. I like to have a tidy and clean computer. And now we'll double check here in Synaptic to make sure there's nothing left over. Because with that last command, the removed one, a lot of times there's stuff left over. There isn't. If there was, there'd be something that said residual config right here. So now we're going to close this. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you have a wonderful day.